Pressure test.
Pressure testing is a key installation requirement. You should be aware of the requirements of the Australian and New Zealand standards, as well as Rehau's recommended method.
Once the Rautitan water system has been installed, the next step is to carry out pressure testing. Pressure testing can be carried out using water or air. The flushing and pressurising method should be carried out as per AS NZS 3500 or by using Rehau's recommended method. When the pressure test is being conducted, it is recommended to keep the temperature of the test medium as consistent as possible. This is because variations in temperature affect the pressure readings. For every 10-degree change in temperature, the pressure can vary as much as 100 kPa. A pressure test form can be found in the Rautitan technical information. The pressure test to AS NZS 3500 is applicable to the Rautitan system. However, the focus here is on the Rehau recommended method, as it provides more accurate results for polymer pipe systems. Before you begin, it is important to prepare as per the following steps. Visually check that all the compression joints are secured completely. Flush the system with clean drinking water before the pressure test and then after it has been completed. All safety devices and meters should be dismounted and replaced with pipes or otherwise isolated. In order to get a more accurate pressure test, the system should be subdivided into smaller test sections to improve the accuracy of the results. This is especially important for larger systems. Fill the system with filtered drinking water from the lowest point and then purge all the air for water tests. Select an initial pressure between 10 to 15 bar. For the purpose of this exercise, we select 15 bar as the test pressure. Build up the pressure slowly until 15 bar is reached. Maintain the pressure at 15 bar for 30 minutes. The pressure will decrease as the pipe expands. Check all the joints and pipework for leaks. After 30 minutes have passed, decrease the pressure to 5.5 bar and keep it at this pressure for 120 minutes. Visually check all the joints and pipework for a second time. The pressure test is completed after 120 minutes have passed. The pressure has not fallen and no leaks were found during the visual check. While the standards do not directly reference a visual check, Rehau places emphasis on this important step. It may take a significant amount of time to detect a small leak if only observing the gauge. In addition, an increase in temperature may lead to false readings and hide the evidence of a small leak in the system. Always be sure to complete the pressure test at a time when the fittings can be visually checked as reasonably as possible. For example, before the wall sheeting is put up. The air test is separated into two sections, the leak test and the load test. Firstly, slowly build up the pressure until 150 millibar is reached. Maintain this pressure for the adaptation time. This time is dependent on the total volume of piping in the system and can be found in Section 9 of the Rautitan Technical Information. As with the water test, the pressure will decrease as the pipe expands. Restore the pressure as necessary. Check all the joints and pipework for leaks using a suitable leak-detecting agent. After the test time has passed, shown in this example as 120 minutes, the initial leak test is complete, provided the pressure has not fallen and no leaks were found during the visual check. Following on directly from the leak test is the load test. From 150 millibar, slowly increase the pressure to 3 bar. Restore the pressure if required. Maintain the pressure for 10 minutes. During this time, perform a second visual check, again using a suitable leak detecting agent. After the 10 minutes has passed, the air pressure test is complete, provided the pressure has not fallen and no leaks were found during the visual check.
This completes the learning section. You will now be required to answer a short quiz to complete the training course. Please answer all questions as best as you can and submit once finished. If you would like to learn more, you can download all our relevant product guides and technical manuals from the download section on myrehau.com. Good luck and thanks for using Rehau.